Us on the show, PKD Nambiar, political analyst, and Suman C. Raman is also joining us here on the show. He's a political analyst as well. PKD Nambiar, I'm sorry I had to interrupt you at that time when you were talking about the ramifications of this order in Tamil Nadu politics. Go ahead.
See, as I was just telling you earlier, that the Tamil Nadu, Dravidian parties overall, irrespective of DMK or AIDMK to you have seen MMK, almost every party was always advocating for the release of these people, not from today, for several years. So, but we need to understand it is not just an ordinary case. It is not even just an ordinary assassination case. It is nothing less than the former Prime Minister of India was brutally assassinated. We all can have our own views that he spent about 31 years of his quality time in jail, and on a humanitarian ground, it should be he should be given. So if you really ask me personally, I would also say the same, and so as you maybe. But the problem is that the Tamil Nadu is a very emotional state. There are, even if it is still says that there are LTTE underground people are still at the work in the Tamil Nadu coast. So if that is the case, then there may be even you should not be surprised if tomorrow this Perarivalan may be treated like a hero, or even for assassinating the former Prime Minister. So this has got multiple ramifications. I think the political parties in Tamil Nadu should be treating it as just like any other case or a Supreme Court order, rather than celebrating it and making him as like a hero.
Important point that you're raising there. Yes.
This is precisely my challenge. I think what Mr. Raman said is the right thing, that this may be used. If you really see the celebrations and the both DMK and AIDMK is trying to take to tell the world that we took the initiative to get this happen. So I think if this is the trend which is the political parties are going to take, then it is going to be the rest of the 6 people might also may get the same kind of a treatment from the Supreme Court, which is not really going to be the good for our country. So as I said, it's not a normal ordinary case. It is not a normal murder case or a criminal activity. It is something to do with an attack on the country in itself. It's the former Prime Minister on a tour, and he was brutally killed. And how can you? I think I was just maybe 6 or 7 years old then hearing that news, and it shook the country for so many years. And of course, it is so nice of the Gandhi family to pardon the people who are the convicts and etc. But I think it's not be just central government is not taking a decision, governor is not taking a decision, and the state government and the opposition parties at Tamil Nadu is going all out for supporting and getting these people released. That if the I can only say this thing, that we all have to accept the decision of the Supreme Court, but the political parties should stay neutral and take it as typically a legal framework or an activity, rather than taking any benefit out of this and taking creating these